DAZONGE Halloween decorations. Creepy reaching hands with lighted candles. Eye-catching Halloween decor. Elevate your Halloween decorations with the DAZONGE pack of 3 wall-mounted creepy reaching hands. This multi-pack includes everything you need for a hassle-free setup. 3 realistic hands, 3 flickering candles, 6 double-sided tapes, 4 screws, 4 drywall anchors, and a clear instruction manual. Transform your space into a spine-chilling haunt that captivates all who enter. Realistic design. These life-sized horror hands feature stunning details that are sure to impress. With visible blood vessels, curled fingers, and sharp nails, they add an eerie charm to any room. Whether placed in a dimly lit hallway or as a centerpiece for your Halloween party, these hands create an unsettling atmosphere that guests won't forget. Safe, durable, and versatile. Crafted from high-quality eco-friendly materials, these creepy hands are both safe and durable. Designed for Halloween and beyond, they make excellent Gothic decorations that can be enjoyed year-round. Their versatility allows you to incorporate them into various themes, ensuring they fit perfectly into your decor. Multifunctional Halloween decor. Installation is a breeze. Mount these hands using screws or double-sided tape to embellish walls, doors, and furniture. But that's not all. Use them to display your jewelry, lamps, towels, candles, or keys for an added spooky flair. Their multifunctional design ensures they serve both aesthetic and practical purposes. The more hands, the scarier. Unleash the full potential of your Halloween decorations. The DAZONGE wall-mounted creepy hands are guaranteed to send shivers down your guests' spines. Create a haunting atmosphere that intensifies with every hand you add. Transform your space into a frightful spectacle that will leave everyone talking long after the night is over. Get ready for a Halloween celebration like no other. Your haunted house awaits.